Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching and spending a little time with me today. For this week, I'm going to be memory planning the week of June 7th through 13th in my Recollections Celestial planner. And this is a kit that is by the Giving Girl, which was called Sweet Orchid, I believe. So, I've already pre-planned this kit. As you can see, I just kind of try to pre-plan my weeks normally under normal circumstances. And then I go back in and memory plan and kind of use the leftovers of the kit just to memory keep what happened during the day and the week and whatever. So I have a code for the Giving Girl. I'll link it down below, but let's go ahead and get started with the memory planning. So first I'm going to take this heart bowstrung box from the kit and layer that with a daisy wreath from from Sticker Guru, which is another shop that I PR for and I have a code for. And I'm going to layer those together, but first I didn't want it to kind of overlap like with that header because I want to cover up the header, so I'm just going to use one of these tiny, I don't know, like quarters maybe size. No, it's smaller than that, whatever. One of these smaller scallop boxes in the kit. So I'm going to layer those together, and then I'm going to use a Trader Joe's script from Wild Summer Designs, but I'm going to cut it so it fits nicely inside the heart. And then I'm going to layer that with one of these hand-drawn lunch bag doodles from the Giving Girl. They are just so cute. I chose the one that says yum because it was my first day at my new job and I had Trader Joe's for lunch because I didn't bring lunch because I wasn't sure like what was I going to do for lunch, if I was even going to have like a fridge to put my food in and stuff, you know what I mean? I mean, usually there is, but you just never know. So I went and found a Trader Joe's and ate lunch there. And then for my scalloped box, I just wrote hubby dinner because my husband made dinner, which was very, I was very, very grateful for that. I came home and dinner was already made. And then I just layered a couple pieces of floral deco from Sadie stickers, and then the sunflower mandala is from Sticker Guru. Then I'm going to take a scalloped corner, faux eyelet corner from the kit, and then another piece of floral deco from Sadie stickers, and layer that with a workout script from Sticker Guru, and then this fitness sheet from the Giving Girl, which was from her 2020 advent calendar. So I love those little icons. I chose the water bottle icon just because I did my workout, of course, on Monday. And for my gratitude, I wrote that I was grateful for my husband making dinner. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to grab a page flag with the bow accent corner from the kit and layer that with a floral deco and then a laptop bow icon from the Giving Girl. And the floral deco is Sadie stickers. Pretty much all, I'm pretty sure, all of the like colored like stickers that are floral deco, not like the clear stuff, but the ones that are like colorful florals, those are all Sadie stickers. If they're not, then I'll mention it. But anyways, that's just to mark that I returned the laptop that I borrowed from my old job that I just resigned from because I have my new full-time job. So I went and returned that laptop that I was using for working from home. And then I grabbed a half box from the kit and layered that with some floral deco, and then one of these cute little teardrop icons with the grocery cart from the kit. And just to mark that, I had to buy some clothes after work because I've said many times before I was ill-prepared to start my job because I did not have enough clothes that were like business casual clothes that fit me. And so this is what caused me to start becoming so behind with my plan with me's, was because I was pretty much going to the store or doing something every single freaking day. And I had like no time to catch up with my videos and my Instagram and stuff, So yeah, I'm still trying to recover from that. Then I just used one of these daisy corners from Sticker Guru, which I just love those daisy corners. And then a squiggly divider from Xoxo Co, which is another shop I PR for. And then I took a scallop box from the kit and layered that with floral deco, and then a bicycle from that fitness sheet from the Sticker Guru because my son fell off his bike going to school for summer school and he hurt his hands. I didn't have anything that was like sad, like emojis or like emotis or characters or anything like that. I just realized I have a lot of angry ones and happy ones and like cleaning ones, but I don't have sad ones. I would have used a sad one there, but guess I gotta get some. Then I used a floral deco from Sticker Guru and then a taco from Wild Summer Designs doodles, one of her doodles or whatever, because we had Del Taco for dinner. And I wrote for my gratitude Target, because Target had a lot of amazing clothes that I picked up when I was shopping. So that was a good find. Then moving on to Wednesday, I grabbed a box from the kit and then one of these Bubblemon Stickers Co. mad like characters because I woke up with fraud on my bank account because my debit card got compromised somehow. It's not too huge of a deal because thankfully they only got like around $60. And my bank is what, caught it and notified me that they put a block on my card, and asked me if I recognized these charges, and I was like, hell to the no. There was like several charges from Apple. Like, what? That's so, I feel like that's so stupid because I feel like Apple is going to know who, whatever you purchased for your phone or whatever it was for your account. Like when they find out that was a fraudulent charge, they're going to know that you were using a stolen card number. Like, hello? It was annoying to say the least, but yeah, I had to have my card blocked and then reordered. And then I just used a floral deco and then a post truck from Strawberry Creek to mark that I had to pick up some of my mom's mail while she was in the hospital. And then I used a rose colored daze mini like bow squiggle up there just to break up some space. I used a sticker guru. It's like one of these pretty dragonfly floral decos over the full box to spruce it up. And then I'm taking a bowstrung label from the kit, and then a couple of daisy decos from Sticker Guru. I just love those daisy decos. So I used the wreath behind the box, and then this cute like petal one just in the corner there. And then a Waldemar Designs monitor like computer doodle. And also a JK Creates Co. floral bouquet, because lots of layering right there, because my husband's monitor has arrived for his new job, because he started a new job as well, not this week, but the following week. And so it's a permanent work from home job. So they sent him dual monitors and like a laptop and stuff like that. So, for my Gratitude Wednesday, I wrote "Found My Son," which I didn't mark in my planner because I didn't really have room and I didn't really know how to mark it. But basically he went like, we thought like missing for a while. He was really at school. We just didn't know it, but we were like so nervous because he's supposed to text me when he arrives at school, so we know he got there safely because he just rides his bike and it's less than a mile away. But he forgot to text me on Wednesday, and I had my husband, because he was still not starting his job yet, so he was doing nothing. So I had my husband go drive by the school to see if he saw his bike locked up in the bike racks, and it wasn't. So I was like panicking at work. Oh crap, where's my son? He didn't text me he made it, and his bike's not at school. But anyway, he was at school, thankfully, because my husband went inside and asked about if he's in here, where is he, And I don't know, they were like doing construction, so they had all the kids park their bikes inside the school, so that's why we couldn't see it. But, it was a relief to find out that he just forgot to text me and he was safe. So that was my gratitude. On Thursday, I'm just using another pretty bowstrung box from the kit with the daisy deco behind it from Sticker Guru, and a laundry script from Randy.Plans because I had to do some laundry catch up on Thursday. Then I used a leaf divider from JK Creates Co. beneath that, and another box from the kit. I have Sadie's stickers, a floral deco behind it, and then this Amazon bow icon from, I think that's the Pretty Pink Co. Because I had to pick up, again, some more packages from my mom while she was in the hospital. Then I took another Sticker Guru daisy deco and layered up with some dots from the kit, and then a dumbbell bow icon from Sticker Guru, but that was from a sampler from another one of the PR girls. And I used a workout script from Randy.Plans because I did my I always use my weights on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I did my weighted workout. And then I used some of these little cherry blossom dingly decos from the Pretty Pink Co. beneath it. And for my gratitude, I wrote "clothes ready" because it was just nice to come home, and then my husband had taken care of the laundry, and then I didn't have to because the pile of laundry to put away was huge. So I was grateful that the clothes were like ready to go. On Friday, I'm going to use this half box and layer that with a JK Creates Co. bouquet and just mark that was my last day of orientation with my new job, which I still had more training to do, but it just was going to be like upstairs with my team now instead of like in orientation with HR. So yeah, that was just my last day of orientation. Next, I'm going to layer another floral deco that I cut with a circle bow accent, a bow accent circle from the kit, and then one of these teardrop, another one of the weighted icons, although I didn't do weights on Friday, but just, to mark working out, and I just wrote in working out for my mark in my workout. Then for the quarter box, I used a honey inked planner sticker that flipped around somehow because I brought some of my planner supplies to work on Friday, since I found out that we were able to use like pens and paper, because like sometimes call center jobs, especially like in the financial industry, they don't allow you to use those kind of things to keep accounts safe, but we are allowed to use those there. So I brought some of my planner stuff, and then I just used a Sticker Guru daisy divider below it. And for my gratitude, I wrote TGIF because I was so grateful for the weekend. Then on Saturday, I used a bow accent Who is calling me? A bow accent. What is this? Flag, and then a JK Curates Co bouquet, just to mark that my in-laws were in town. My brother and sister-in-law, they live out of my state, and they were in town for, what were they in town for? I was gonna say not Mother's Day. I don't know why, but they were in town. Anyway, and then I used a squiggle, a bow squiggle. Am I yawning from Colored Daze? And then I used a box from the kit with a Sadie's stickers deco and just wrote in crumble because we got some crumble cookies to, eat with the family, because we always go to my family's house, my mother-in-law and father-in-law's house on Saturdays, and then my brother and sister-in-law were there too. Then I used a daisy mandala below that just to take up a little bit more space, and then I wrote in our little movie that we watched for our movie night, and below that I put a squiggle from JK Curates Co. We watched The Mitchells versus the Machines, which is in the same like animation style as Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. It was really cool. So I wrote family fun for my gratitude for Saturday. Then on to Sunday, I'm going to use a floral deco from Sticker Guru, and then this paper blush bar Out and About icon, because we just had to run some errands on Sunday, and I used a Sticker Guru daisy deco right there next to it. And at the bottom of the day, I used one of these really fun, I also cut up a sunflower mandala from Sticker Guru and put it in the corner. And I used one of these really fun like sunburst frames from Dash of Sun, which is another shop I PR for. Layered that with the meal prep script from Randy.Plans and a floral deco from Sadie Stickers. And then it's supposed to say to do but for some reason I grabbed the to buy one. It's an arrow with a bow accent from the script, from the kit, sorry. And it says to buy, but it's supposed to say to do because I did some meal prep. And then I just layered that with a squiggle from JK Curates Co. And for my gratitude, I survived the week because it was a hectic week. And that is going to be pretty much everything for this memory plan with me. I want to thank you so much for watching and being here. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it helps out my channel and my video, and I appreciate your support. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss more of my videos because I do upload regularly. Even when I do get a little bit behind, I still try my best to catch up. And definitely leave me a comment if you have a question or if you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back because I love talking to y'all. I hope that you all are well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you're enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!